Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to make your WinForms app look professional by auto-resizing controls when the form size changes. No third-party tools, just smart C# logic. Ever had a form where your buttons, text boxes, or labels stayed the same size even when the window got bigger? Today we'll fix that using a clean, reusable method to scale all controls based on the form size. Let's build a sample form with a couple of controls, a text box, a button, a radio button. You can design your layout freely, just keep the positions and sizes reasonable. So in general that's a standard layout and tool. And also with the standard issue, if the user have to resize the form or set it into full screen. It looks really bad or? Let's fix it with just some variables and some lines of code. First we have to create the form load and resize event. Just generate it in the designer. And we are ready to go, so just look and relax. It's easy to understand. I will explain how it works at the end of this video. Here's how it works. On form load, we'll save each control's original position and size in a dictionary. When the form resizes, we'll calculate a scale factor for width and height, and apply it to all controls. Simple and powerful. Now when I resize the form, boom! Every control scales smoothly. Even multi-line text boxes stretch properly. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool WinForms tricks.